2012 Nissan Murano from my man Frank from Conley in Philly. Yep, I got people come from Philly to get some stuff done. And I haven't done a flex pipe one of these in a while. But you can see, it's typically the older models are side by side, the older models. And then these are kind of separated, which gives you an area to work with. Bless you, Kayla.
Thank you.
And you can see how I cut out the old stuff, welded in some new stuff, saving a super expensive job for you guys and the customer, right? Because what would you guys charge for this? I know it's $500 at the parts store, and then you got to mark it up and install it, and then fuck around with it. Probably $1,000, right? You gotta make profit plus bolts, gaskets. Looks good. Looks good. Say Merry Christmas, Frank.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.